Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing. This is a watch that I've wanted for a while now. Unfortunately, I really don't have any way of trying this on locally to me. I think the closest local, or not even local, closest dealer to me is, I think, in Chicago, a long ways away from where I live. So I had heard a while back that these were going to get discontinued, and they are discontinued. So I placed an order through Joma Shop months ago, and long story short, it's here now. So I didn't think I was going to get it, so I finally did get it. So let's get it open. Wish I have to open this off to the side here. Trying not to damage the boxes here. Making a giant mess in the studio here. Yeah, I'm gonna need to clean up in here. So let's get this open. All right, let's see. Quite the box here. Is it gonna clear the camera? Yes, it did just clear the camera. So let's check this thing out. How do I get it out of here? Oh, so this must have a box within a box or something. All right, let me take the box off the table. It's a little claustrophobic right now. We need a bigger studio or something. Yeah, super lightweight. This thing is really lightweight. Of course it should be because it's titanium. Cannot be returned to this tag is removed. Okay, we'll keep that in mind. I don't know where they get these watches from. All right, let's zoom in and take a closer look at this. Yeah, very cool. This watch is very cool. I didn't think I would ever have one in my hands, let alone owning one, so yeah, wow, very nice. Let's take the plastic off here. Just set it on my wrist, see how it looks. Come on. There we go. See, all right, so it's not a screw down crown, just push pull crown. So I'm winding up the movement here. Zoom in a little bit. The Zenith seems to have gone even more upscale. Their prices have gone up. And this is, I think it's basically an entry level for them, or at least it used to be. Maybe not the skeleton, but they have one with just colored dials as well, which look very nice. But I've always just wanted the skeleton version. This thing is shiny. Hopefully you can see that on your end, how shiny this is. There we go. Very cool. I've never really had I don't remember having a skeleton watch before. Maybe I have, but definitely nothing like this. And then it does have a date window down there. And you can see the date wheel around the perimeter here. So yeah, very cool. Let me just try this on wrist here, and then we'll close out the video. Okay, I was worried about the lug-to-lug on this, but I think it looks perfectly fine. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. Very cool. Yeah, so definitely we'll be selling a bunch of watches, and anything that's not bolted down, I'll be selling to pay for this one. All right, if you're not subscribed yet, I greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.